What's going on, guys? So in today's video we are going to be doing a sound test comparison between the Bose L1 Compact, which is right over here, versus the JBL PartyBox 300, which is right over here. Now just ignore this little baby Bose S1 Pro over here. That's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about the PartyBox 300 versus the L1 Compact. Now there is a pretty significant difference in the two models we are comparing today. I know that. Now the L1 has always been costing about $900 upwards to over $1,000, and with Bose speaker it's gonna be there for many years to come, as it has been at that price for like over 10 years now. JBL, on the other hand, tends to drop their price much more significantly over time compared to Bose. So when they first released this thing right here, it was like over $400s or so, but I found it on sale now for like around $300. I will leave the link to the best prices I was able to find for both of these in the description box down below, so feel free to click the link and check it out, guys. You may be in for a surprise for a price of the PartyBox 300. It actually does stack up pretty well against the Bose L1 Compact, even though obviously the winner right here will be, in my personal opinion, the Bose L1 Compact. But anyway, let's go ahead and begin. Alright guys, so for the purpose of this sound test demo, I have prepared 4 audio clips. 2 clips of which I create within GarageBand. 1 audio clip I played live with my band. And the 4th audio clip is Faded, the non-copyrighted version by Alan Walker. And guys, the reason for this is I cannot just play any song I want to due to copyrighted reasons. Many songs I cannot just play, or else I won't be able to demonstrate it to you guys. So please understand, for me, that is why I can only play certain songs, guys. So we are going to start off with Bose speaker volume set at 50%, and we are going to start with the PartyBox 300. So here goes, guys. Bose L1. So from that short audio clip, guys, you can obviously tell that the Bose L1 Compact volume or audio is much louder than the PartyBox 300. But the PartyBox 300 does very well when it comes to the lower end, guys. The bass is actually very good considering the price that it comes in at. Alright guys, so to be fair, I'm gonna actually turn the volume for the PartyBox 300 up to about 75% just to make it fair, because the volume for it is not as loud, nowhere near as loud as the L1 Compact. So I'm gonna turn it up to about 75 or 80% with the PartyBox 300, and then I'm gonna leave the L Compact still at 50%. So let's go ahead and listen to the next audio clip. This is going to be Faded by Alan Walker. With the last audio clip, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this at 80%, but then I will turn it up to 100%. And then for the L1 Compact, I'm going to leave it at 50%, and then I'm going to increase it all the way to 100% as well. So get ready for this, guys. It's going to get pretty loud. Hopefully the microphone on my camera can catch all of this clarity and audio for you guys. This time we are going to start with the L1 Compact and volume from 50 going up to 100%. Here goes, guys. And so guys, personally for me, I think it's very obvious that the L1 Compact is the better, the bigger brother here. But for the price, once again, the PartyBox 300 did a very, very good job, especially when it comes to the lower end, guys. So with that being said, the L1 Compact will absolutely get louder in any atmosphere or any environment, which will serve more people and will do better in bigger parties compared to the PartyBox 300. But this PartyBox 300 can definitely throw up a pretty good party as well, considering the affordable price that it comes in at. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, guys, and feel free to check out the links again in the description if you want to grab either one of this. Thanks everybody for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.